Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Mr. Nigel NG, also known as Uncle Roger Channel Analytics. Uncle Roger has uploaded 65 videos. He now has 3.34 million subscribers with a total view of 186,602,991 view. He's from Great Britain, and his channel type is comedy. He created his channel since November 6, 2012. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is at 5,943rd. The subscriber ranking is 4,916th, and then video view rank is 35,479th. He ranked at 190th in Great Britain and 284th in comedy. Next, the daily subs for Uncle Roger channel is around 3K with a daily view of 387,516. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 385,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Uncle Roger will be $1,540. Then, monthly income will be $46,200. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $25,410 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $304,920. That is how much Uncle Roger earns from YouTube.